Hello friends, this is Krishna and this video is part 3 of Angular interview questions. So in this video we are going to see what is path match and what is redirect to properties in routing. So let's see what is redirect to. So this property is used for redirecting to any particular route what we have specified. So it helps us to remove some duplicate code here. So if you see here, this is the syntax for redirect to here. Here we will specify redirect to as categories if the path is empty. And let's go to path match here. So path match will accept two values. One is full and the other is prefix. So what is meant by path match equal to prefix? It will tell us to apply the route if prefix to the URL is the path specified. Here we are specifying the path as empty. So if the URL prefix is empty, it is going to redirect to categories here. So it will check only for the prefix. If that prefix matches, it will redirect to that particular path what we have specified in the redirect to. Now what is meant by path match is full. So it will redirect only if full path is matched. So it will not only check for the prefix, it will check entire path here. So this is the syntax for prefix and this is the syntax for path match full. Now let's see and understand it in the better way by see the practical example. So this is the project e-commerce I have created and in that we are going to app routing module.ts and in that I have specified wildcard route. So if user has entered any path which is not matching in these routes, then it will go to page not found component as you have already seen in this in the previous tutorial in the Angular interview questions part 2 so that you can go back to my channel and watch that. Now we will see. So here if you see here, if we don't enter any URL here or if we don't enter any path, it is going to page not found component because we have not specified any path here. Now we will specify path for this. If path is empty, then redirect to this particular component. So I'm redirecting to categories component here. Now let's check whether it's working or not. I'm saving this. I'm opening the browser. So you can see here if the path is empty, it is going to categories component. So instead of this component, we can write redirect to here. So this redirect to property will take any path. So I'm writing categories here. So it will check for the path and it will go to categories here. Now we'll go to browser and check whether it's working or not. So if you see here, it's not working and we are getting some issue. So if you notice here, it is asking us to provide the path match here. So if we want to use redirect to, then we have to use path match here. Now we will use path match. So I will use prefix here. So if I use prefix, then it will check only for the prefix. If the prefix is matching to the path what we have specified here, then it will redirect to this categories component here. So if you see here, it is going to categories component, and even though I am going to login, it is redirecting to categories component, and I'm specifying page not found component, but it's redirecting to categories component because for every URL what we have entered will have the prefix as empty. So because of this, it is redirecting to categories component. If you write here or if you specify it as full, and if I use login here, it is redirecting to login here. And if I specify it as page not found component, it is redirecting to not found component here. So the conclusion here is, if you use path match as full, then it will check for entire path, whereas if you use path match as prefix, then it will check only for the prefix of that URL. So for every URL, the prefix will be empty. So because of that, it is redirecting to categories component here. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.